tried generating a random number or trying to generate a sequence of random number. In this video, we're going to talk about what random modules are, or random library, if you can call it like that. Random library is a built-in library in Python programming language. What this library actually does for you just to generate random numbers from either from a sequence of data or maybe just from a list of data. Any list of data I give you can generate random numbers, or you can give it from a range of data to generate a random number for you. And you make use of an algorithm, which is the PRNG. If you watch my video on PRNG, this shouldn't be a strange thing for you. PRNG just like an algorithm you can use to generate sequence of random numbers. So with the help of random library in Python programming language, we can achieve this. Like I said, it's a built-in Python library, so you don't need to import, you don't need to install it again. But if there's any situation whereby you tend to not to have the random library first, if there's any situation where you tend to not to have the random library, what you can do is to go to your command prompt this way. Let me go to my command prompt. Just type cmd. This should open your command prompt, and then hit enter, and then come here and type pip install random, and then you hit enter. This requires an internet to run successfully, so make sure you are connected to the internet. In my situation, already have it installed already. You can see it's waiting for me to connect to the network. If after some time I didn't connect, it's going to prompt you error. So in the situation, you must have internet connection before you can run it. So this random libraries in Python, does it really have any advantage? Yes, it has a whole lot of advantage when it comes to trying to generate random numbers. When we can make a guessing game with this. We can also try to generate random password, whereby generate a strong password whereby someone cannot just easily hack your password. There are a whole lot of other uses of this random number. I can use it for case of dice game, chess game, a whole lot of other games, but mostly used in a situation where we don't want to know the output of our code, or in a situation we don't want to know the output. We just want the output to be undetermined. But this random module, like I said, is uses an algorithm of PRNG, which is a prescriptive random number generator. And this prescriptive random generator, when I talked about this prescriptive random generator, I made mention of that. If you know what is called the seed, and you know how the algorithm functions, it's going to be a problem. So when this random mode is not a good idea to use when it comes to generation of password and other things related to security that can lead you to security vulnerability. Is not a good idea. So in this video, I just want us to do how to learn how to import random model. So let me zoom this so we can see it very well. Let me close this up. Okay, so how do we import random model? Like how we import other modules? Just we're going to make use of the import Python built-in keyword. So just import. Like I said, it's pre-code. So you don't need to call it, but there's any situation whereby it does not tend to perform properly. It does not tend to, when you run this, it didn't work. So for you to know whether it works, just click on this play button right here. That means it's already installed on your system. You can see I didn't get any error. That means it's already installed on my system. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if for no reason it's not on your Python, it's not on your system, what you need to do, just go to your command prompt and then type pip install random, and then make sure you are connected to the internet, and then that is just it. You can follow up on this tutorial, this random module tutorial. So this is just basically what I'm supposed to look at this video, what random modules are. And we'll talk about this advantage of it, whereby you can use it when it comes to security purposes. When you want let's say if it's you want to use it to generate password, it's not really a bad idea, but let's say in a situation whereby a hacker tends to know how the because easy word is called PRNG, which is random number generator, to generate your sequence. If somebody knows how this the algorithm and the seed that is being set, because the seed determines how the sequence is going to be generated. So if the hacker knows the seed that is being set and the algorithm, so it becomes a problem. That's one of the drawbacks of this random libraries when it comes to Python programming language. Other programming languages have their own random number generating libraries. So, but when you come to Python, just random. So in the next video, we're going to do a whole lot of fun things. We can make use of this random built-in libraries in Python programming language. So I think with this video we are going to draw the curtain for this video. Our next video we are going to do something better than this. I'll be happy to see you in the next. Thank you for watching.